Hey guys, today we have this 2016 Dodge Journey. We're going to be replacing the brake pads for the front brake pads. Alright, let's get started. Alright, first we're going to remove the wheels. We have 19mm socket. And once we got this out, let's go ahead and check the brake pads. Alright, first we're gonna get this 13mm socket to get this to. Let's go position that real quick. Alright, 2 volts. This 13mm socket. I might probably just use the top and get away just removing the bottom right here. So remove this on the bottom. Let's see if I can remove that, and I'll swing it all the way up. That comes out. You can be able to swing this up. Oh yeah. There you go. And this one you can swing this up with no problem. You can see it's open, and I can remove the brake pads. You can remove them. Get a new one, and then push the calipers. So from these, I'll remove the one of the pads, put it back of these, and put this kind of like caliper pusher special tool. So I'm gonna hold it like that. Okay, so I have that set up. I'm just gonna go ahead push this calipers in. This piston here, so we can put the brand new one. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and hook this up so I have more space. Just got that hooked up there. You can see. So while we're working on that one, I'm gonna go ahead and clean these area. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this area real quick with the brake cleaner. Alright, I'm gonna let that dry. And then while I let it dry, I'm gonna remove all this hardware here, put a brand new one. Alright, this one, for example, one of these hardware here. Remove that and make sure you have a matching one that goes in perfectly, like this one. That's not the matching one, so you just move one at a time. So check this out, that's pretty good. So that's matching, so I'm gonna put the same orientation how to pick that out. There you go. Once that in, make sure you got it all the way in. Same as this one. So this corner and that corner should be in. Alright, so that's good. And then once you get that in, go get the rest of the hardware out too. Alright, so once all the hardware is in, you're gonna put some grease on this contact point right here, behind here, and also the calipers meant for the pistons. So there's no squeaking sound. There you go. Once that's good, you can actually go ahead, put the brake pads. Here real quick. One goes this way. Let's see. Make sure you got it properly right. Let's see. one goes like this. Okay, and the other one goes the same. You get that properly in. Square up. That one here. There you go. So those are in. Okay. Look at the other side real quick. I think that's a longer one. That's a longer. Okay. Make sure that's not touching any contact points. Alright, then put the one on the back. Once you get that in, I'm gonna put the one in the back. Alright, make sure everything is in place. So we're gonna remove this. Drop it over. There you go. Once it's in there, we're gonna put the bolt back in. Right here, and retight it. So this one is just 13mm, and we're just gonna tighten this thing. There guys, that's it. That's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. This one as well. Alright. Once that's done, put the wheels back on and you're ready to go. That's it guys. That's pretty easy, pretty quick. Do the same process on the driver's side. Always start with the passenger side if you're doing the front brake pads. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share it, and to the next video.